Good day, YouTube. It's Maurice again with Nulu Tool. So back in October, I was walking through the Utility Expo, which is held here in Louisville, Kentucky, every other year. And as I was passing by the Crescent tool booth, one of the reps reached out and asked me if I wanted to take a look at their then new folding utility cart. I stood there, I watched, and I was left with an amazing impression of what this folding utility cart was capable of. And if you can't tell, I'm not very brand agnostic when it comes to my tools, but this was clearly one of those instances where I was forced to kind of go against my typical way of thinking. And last night I was perusing the internet kind of later in the night, and I came across these all new job site utility carts from Crescent. And needless to say, I found myself down a pretty deep rabbit hole. So I wanted to share some of what I found out about the new utility carts, as well as share some of the details on the existing folding utility cart. So as it pertains to the utility carts, it looks like there are going to be 8 of them, all of which will begin shipping on May 1st of this year, so just under a month from today. It looks like they all kind of vary in their use cases and applications. It also looks like you'll have the option to either choose between a 5-inch hard caster or an 8-inch rubberized caster. So we'll read through the description straight from Crescent. Introducing Crescent RAILWORKS, the first to market customizable modular cart system that empowers end users by configuring material handling carts to their exact needs. The RAILWORKS system allows for easy reconfiguration and expansion to protect your investment, reducing the need for frequent replacements. Setting a new standard, Crescent's RAILWORKS material cart enhances productivity, organization, and security with unrivaled versatility. Some of the product features that kind of go across all 8 of the new utility carts is they are modular and convertible material handling solutions that adapt quickly to changing production needs, enabling cost-effective reconfiguration of carts to meet diverse applications. They each come with a 3-position comfort grip handle from 0 to 90 degrees for optimal comfort. They have sidewall cutouts to reduce fatigue and prevent injuries when working from the bottom shelf. They each have a V-notch on the top shelf to securely hold pipes and other round materials for safe cutting operations. They're crafted of HDPE structural foam. The HDPE crafted structural foam shelves support 250 pounds per shelf or a 500-pound total load capacity. They have greater cart durability with mounting points for accessories. They are quick and easy to assemble, and they say that they are proudly manufactured in the USA, however, with global materials. The Crescent RAILWORKS 2-shelf industrial utility cart with 8-inch casters will come in at a weight of 37 pounds. The Crescent RAILWORKS 2-shelf industrial utility cart with 5-inch hard casters and a single-door security panel will weigh in at 76 pounds. The RAILWORKS 2-shelf industrial utility cart with 5-inch hard casters and a double-door security panel will weigh in at 86 pounds. The Crescent RAILWORKS 2-shelf industrial utility cart with 5-inch hard casters will weigh in at 37 pounds. The Crescent RAILWORKS 2-shelf industrial utility cart with 5-inch hard casters and a mesh single-door lockable storage department will weigh in at 76 pounds. The 2-shelf industrial utility cart with 5-inch hard casters and an electrician corner post will weigh in at 48 pounds. The RAILWORKS utility cart with 8-inch casters and a lockable security panel will weigh in at 114 pounds. And finally, the RAILWORKS 2-shelf industrial utility cart with 5-inch hard casters and a tool drawer will weigh in at 57 pounds. So now some of the details on the Crescent SITERUNNER 3-shelf folding job site cart, straight from Crescent. The Crescent SITERUNNER is designed to keep all of your tools and materials within arm's reach, enhancing your efficiency on the job site. This innovative job site cart serves as a mobile workstation, allowing you to move seamlessly throughout your workspace while keeping everything organized. At the end of the day, it easily folds into your truck for convenient transport and storage. With a T-channel accessory rail, you can effortlessly attach additional tools, ensuring that you have everything you need to boost productivity and tackle any task that arises. Some of the key features are the no box assembly or no assembly required, so therefore you're able to set up your job site cart straight out of the box. It is designed for tradesmen end-use applications holding up to 100 pounds per shelf or 300 pounds in total. It has the T-channel accessory rail, which allows you to effortlessly attach a variety of accessories and tools, improving productivity and organization. It has palm grip handles to optimize control and maneuverability on the job site, while doubling as a hanging notch for tool belts, hard hats, cords, and more. It acts as a mobile workstation at the perfect height. Lift handle enables you to easily lift the cart over object, providing seamless movement over obstacles on the job site. You're able to access tools effortlessly with the integrated tool strap, and you can transport it with ease using the carrying handle. And it does come in at a weight of just 37 pounds. So thank you for taking the time to watch today's video. If you found any of this information to be useful, please leave a like down below and also consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any personal experience with the folding utility cart, or if you have plans to purchase any of the new utility carts, please leave a comment below and let me know your thoughts. I've left links down in the description box to all of the utility carts over at acmetools.com. Right now they're running a pretty good pre-sale deal where you can get $40 off each of the utility carts by using the code APEXDEALS. That's APEXDEALS, all caps. Again, thank you, and we'll catch you on the next one.